Any car owner's main concern is fuel efficiency. In addition to saving you money, increased fuel efficiency is healthier for the environment since it reduces emissions when you use less fuel. One of the first steps to increasing fuel efficiency is purchasing a fuel-efficient vehicle. However, your driving habits can have an impact on fuel economy. Here are 7 tips and tricks to increase your car's average. 1. Maintain your car. The car's maintenance schedule exists for a reason. Therefore, don't miss routine checkups. Make sure you are using the right oil for your car and remember to change your engine oil frequently. Checking the suspension, changing the air filters, proper tire care etc. are all important maintenance services that enable the electrical and mechanical components of your car to function smoothly and ultimately pay off by improving your fuel economy. 2. Air conditioning. Do not overuse the heater or the air conditioning as they both use extra fuel. Always make sure you close the windows when driving at particularly high speeds. Having these open disrupts the flow of air over the car, causing extra drag, meaning your engine consumes more fuel. When driving at high speeds, it's ideal to keep the AC on and the windows up to save fuel. 3. Tire pressure. Regularly check the pressure of the tires. Tires that are overinflated are hazardous because they reduce traction and increase tire wear at the center. Tires that are underinflated are risky too, and they can increase fuel consumption by up to 5%. So, regularly check the tires on all 4 wheels. Most cars have a sticker with the recommended pressure on the driver's door. Additionally, instead of normal air inflation, you could also go for nitrogen inflation for better fuel efficiency and increased tire life. 4. Switch off. While driving in urban areas, if your car has a start-stop function that shuts off the engine at traffic lights, use it. But if your car lacks this function, it is not advised to switch off the engine every time you wait for a traffic light to turn green. The reason is, modern cars with start-stop systems have a bigger battery with start-stop technology and a different starter motor, while older cars will run out of battery if you keep starting and stopping the engine all through your journey. 5. Shed excess weight. Travel light. Weight means increased fuel consumption. Make sure your boot isn't full of things you don't really need. Unnecessarily carrying heavy objects will only force the engine to consume more fuel to move more weight. Another useful advice is don't interfere with your car's aerodynamics. The roof is a good place for large heavy items. However, keep in mind heavy items on the roof of a vehicle increase drag, costing you quite a bit of money and lost fuel economy. So, to improve your fuel economy, take off the roof rack if you haven't used it in a while. 6. Stay one step ahead of the traffic. Sounds simple, but make sure you plan your journey. The rise in the number of vehicles on roads has affected the driving behavior of vehicle owners. And the way you drive has a big impact on fuel consumption. While driving in the city, anticipating traffic conditions can prevent frequent acceleration and braking. Driving at a sufficient distance away from the vehicle in front can help you maintain a steady speed and use less fuel. 7. Shift gears. Another driving tip is to shift gears early. The majority of modern cars are equipped with shift indicators, so you will know when it's the right time to shift up or down. For older cars, this should be mentioned in the user's manual. There you will find the recommended engine speed for each gear, helping you prevent excessive fuel consumption.